Hi, welcome to automationtesting.in. In this video, we will see assumptions in JUnit 5. So what do you mean by assumption? What is the use in JUnit 5? We will see by taking one example. So let's go into Eclipse. So here I will create a class. In the same package, JUnit 5 test, which we were using. New class. I'll say assumptions test. So in this, we'll take one example at the test from the Jupyter API, public void assume true test. So we have assume true, assume false. So first we'll see, we have assumptions. We have assumptions from, it's a class from Jupyter API. So assumptions dot assume true. So it will take a Boolean condition. So simply I'll put true, and after that I'll write system.out.println executing as assumption is true. Just a dummy message. So here assumption means it's just a kind of if condition. If the condition is true, then continue. Otherwise, don't continue. Okay. So we'll see what happens when we execute this. Then we'll discuss more. You see that it passed, and in the console, assumption executing as assumption is true. Okay. So what if I give false here? Okay. Now my assumption is wrong. What happens when assumption is false? Here you see that it skipped the test case, right? Assumption failed. Assumption is not true. It is giving some information by skipping the test. But I'm just saying that it is just kind of if condition, some condition, right? Boolean means some if condition kind of. So what happens when you put assert here? What happens if you put if condition? Okay, then it will be very clear that why assumption is. If I put if true, okay, if true, nothing happens. Normally, it get execute, and you will get the output. All right. Run as JUnit test. Now already the condition is true, so you will get the output. Still executing. It's taking a bit. You see that as executing as assumption is true. The condition is true. So now when you go here also, the test case is passed. Okay, that is very common, that assumption true also do the same thing. But what happens when I say false? When I say false, and if you execute this now, you see that my test case is showing as passed. Okay, there is no console message. The reason is it did not continue to the next line as if condition is false, but my test case is passed. But that is not the case, right? Right. So that is the reason this is different from if condition. And the same way, if you use assertion from the Jupyter assertions dot assert true, that we already seen in our previous video. So now assertion true. Now the assertion true means no problem. It will execute smoothly and you'll get the output. You see, it passed, executed. But what happens when you give false? So now the test will fail now. Assertion fail means your test case will fail. You see that? Run 0, failure 1, and expected true, but was false, and it did not printed anything on the console. Now we will observe the differences between these three. Right? When you say assumption, if the assumption is wrong, then your test is skipping. It is not passing, it is not failing. Right? That is the exact behavior what we need. When my assumption is wrong, don't execute this. That is what is happening. But if you come to the if condition, if it is fail, if it is true, if it is false, my test case is passing. When it comes to the assertions, if it is true, my test case is pass. If it is false, my test case is failing. But that I do not want. That is not the behavior I'm expecting. So that is the reason assumptions will help you that if my assumption is true, there is a condition before this. So if that is returning true, then continue the rest of the execution. Otherwise, don't execute, don't waste the time, don't execute, and simply skip the test case. That is what assumptions will do. So now that is, it's clear, right? Now the difference between assumptions, if condition, and assertions. Okay, so that is the advantage when you use assumptions. So now we'll take the simple other example, as we have assume false condition also. Same thing, no need to discuss that much, but simply assumptions dot sorry, we have a typo. Assumptions dot assume false. As it is expecting false, if you give false, it will pass. Right? The reverse of assume true. Executing as assumption is false. Now if I execute this, it will pass. You see that? As executing as assumption is false and my test case is pass. If I give true here, as it is expecting false, but it found true, so obviously it will not execute, it will skip the test. That's it. You see, the test skipped and the information is assumption failed. Assumption is not false. It is expecting false, but it is true. So that is the reason it skipped this test case. This is the exact usage of assumptions in JUnit 5. If your assumption is true, it will execute rest of the code. If the assume false, then it will not execute. Okay, that's all about assumptions in JUnit 5. Thank you.